directive, no, which emanated from a cabinet meeting led by President Marcos, asking me to remit the 89.9 billion. So like a good soldier, I am following them. No? Again, with regards to the 89.9 billion, because it's not only you, Honorable Senator, it's not only Honorable Raffy Tulfo. Everyone is texting me, calling me, saying, ba't hindi mo inisip yung health concerns ng mga tao, pera ng health yan, bakit mo ginagawa yan? Again, I want to reiterate to this honorable committee and to everyone here in this room, no, I received a directive, no, which emanated from a cabinet meeting led by President Marcos, asking me to remit the 89.9 billion. So like a good soldier, I am following them, no. Now, I'm not a lawyer po, so of course, before I did it, I made sure I got clearance from COA, from GCG, and from OGCC. And today, I'm very happy to see my good friend here with us because yesterday, I don't know if you're aware, Solgen came out with a lot of opinions, very good opinions and statements, no, regarding this transfer, that it is legal, it is above board, blah 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 blah, and all that, no. So,
so you mean legally possible po ito?
Yes po.
So legally possible yung
that's again po, I'm not a lawyer, but that's my understanding based on the opinions of COA, GCG, OGCC, and as of yesterday, Solgen.
So legally, lusot kayo, but for me, morally, unacceptable po itong pag-transfer. Marami pang naghihingalo ng mga kababayan natin. Walang pambayad sa hospital.
But Senator, I am just an ordinary member of this government. I was asked to do something. How can I go against it, sir?
Sa lahat ng magiging desisyon mo, isipin mo parate yung mga mahirap, yung mga pasyenteng naghihingalo na walang pambayad. Isipin mo lang parati yun.
Sir, well, if the board will support us, if the PhilHealth board will support us, baka mauna kami, no? But again, like I said, I'm not so sure if the board will fully support us, no? But we'll keep you posted po, Senator.
You're the president of the board.
I'm the I sit as vice chair po. The chairman is Honorable DOH Secretary Ted Herbosa po. But I sit as vice chair.
But you are the face of PhilHealth.
Okay.
Kayo pong nagpapatakbo, you're part of the EXICOM. Kung ano naman siguro ang rekomendasyon ninyo ay malaking weight po yun, no?
That's true po. Pero I don't know if you recall po, when I announced this in our last hearing, the next day, lumabas po sa newspaper si Secretary Herbosa. Sabi niya, he's strongly against it. In fact, yung exact words niya, what the hell is Ledesma talking about? No, he's never heard of anything like that, and he thinks it's outrageous.
So I don't think
I will be able to get his support on this po.